Hello students, now here we will discuss integration of 1 upon root under x square minus c square dx equal to log of x plus root under x minus c square plus c. Now we will see proof of this. Our function I equal to 1 upon root under integration of 1 upon root under x square minus a square into dx. Put in this function x equal to a sec theta and differentiating with respect to theta, therefore this will be dx upon d theta equal to a into sec theta into tan theta, therefore dx equal to a into sec theta into tan theta into d theta. Now in this function we should replace x by a sec theta and dx by a sec theta into tan theta into d theta. So this function will become 1 upon a into sec theta into tan theta into d theta whole upon root under, on the place of x a sec theta, this is the x square, so this will be a square into sec square theta minus a square. Now from above we can write a whole upon, taking a square as a common, and it will outside of this square root, so this will be a integration sec theta into tan theta whole upon sec square theta minus 1 in square root into d theta. A and a will be cancelled. Now this will be sec theta into tan theta whole upon root under x square minus 1, that means this will be tan square theta, and tan square theta will become tan theta outside of this square root. So tan theta and tan theta will be cancelled. Now you can see integration of sec theta into d theta. As you know that integration of sec theta into d theta, already we have discussed about this in the previous video. This will be log of sec theta plus tan theta plus c. Since from here sec of theta equal to x upon a, sec of theta equal to x upon a, and we can write sec theta plus tan theta equal to root under sec square theta minus 1 plus c. Now replace sec theta by the x upon a, so this will be 1 upon integration of 1 upon root under x square minus a square into dx equal to log of, on the place of sec theta we can write x upon a plus root under, on the place of sec square theta this will be x square upon a square minus 1 plus c, log x upon a plus, if you taking LCM then this will be x square minus a square whole upon a square, but this is in the square root, so outside of this root will be a plus c. Again taking LCM of a and a, this will be a, then this will be x plus root under x square minus a square plus c. Now we can write by the log rule log m upon n, that means log m minus n, then this will be log of x plus root under x square minus a square minus log of a plus c. Now you can see here minus log a as a constant, so we can write log of x plus root under x square minus a square plus c, where capital C equal to c minus log of mod of a. So this is the integration of 1 upon root under x square minus a square into dx. In the next video, we will take next function